Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial. So you're gonna see how to put on or insert a new cartridge into Lexmark MX522. So what you got to do is something simple. You just have to press here on the right hand side. Once you press, it's gonna come up. Then what you do, there's the toner is here. Then you just hold here and pull it out. So after pulling it out, then you get a new one. Once you get a new one, you just put it the same way, like this. You lock, then you close. After when you close, everything is fine, right? Simple. Okay, so that's it. You wait for the machine to recognize the toner, then you can make your printing and all that. So that's it. So you just have to press here, and then you take out this guy. Okay, then you replace it if you have to replace it. So you just close it. Okay, so now that's it. Okay, thanks. I think this is the best for you. Lexmark MX522, but most of the Lexmarks do use the same process.